Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura. And today I have an unbagging from Amazon, as you can see. And I got it, I ordered this on the 16th of this month and received it today on the 19th. Let me get it out of here. Oh, big old bag for just that. Okay, I got this from, can you guess? Yep, Joy Sunday. And it is an 11 count, 22 by 18. I'm assuming that's inches. And it's from the Joy Sunday cross stitch store. And this is what it looks like. I just thought he was beautiful. There you go. And he is in centimeters, 55 by 45. Let's pull that out. Oops. Everything's stuck this time. I think it got warm. Has a nice booklet. Whoops, sorry. Let me lay it down so you can see it. And there is the picture. Let me see if I can lift this. Whoops, sorry. Dizzy time. There he is. Isn't he just gorgeous? Just absolutely fabulous. I just loved him. Moving out again. Like I said, it's called Tiger number 3. It's 36251 or DA251. I don't know what the difference is. Comes with a nice booklet, and it's all broken down. Let me take you out again. Whoops, sorry. I'm really making you dizzy today, ain't I? But it's broke down into 6 parts. Beautiful graphics, which is nice. Looks like it's got some nice big areas there as well. Let's get it this way. Look at all them beautiful tiger colors. Just gorgeous. Comes with 2 good needles as always. Nice soft thread. It has 37 colors. We'll lay these down first. These must be the tiger colors. There's a little bit of blue in there for shading, I'm sure. And there's some purples and grays and blacks. A little bit of green. I don't see where the green's going to go. Maybe his eye, I guess. Yeah. Aren't those beautiful? Let's see if I can get you out. Whoop. Any further there. Isn't that just gorgeous? Look at that purple. Oh my god, I just love that purple. Then I'll show you these. Whoops. And then I drop it. A little bit better. Aren't they pretty? Look at all them beautiful colors. And there's some more. And it also has extras of number 19 and number 31, which is the gray and the blue. That must be the background. Okay, let me get these out of the way so we can see the good part. The canvas. Oh yeah, he's big. I can get it. Let me kind of roll it a little bit. Just a bit. We're doing the diamond painting thing. Just for a second here. And I just love Joy Sunday. They have the key down here at the bottom. Runs along the bottom and of that way, and the length of it this way with all the nice symbols. And it is 196 wide by 154 high. But oh, just absolutely fabulous. And I don't know if you can see this, so hang on. Okay, there's the whole thing. You can see the tiger here, and then he's got some background colors around the edges of him, but the rest, I mean, it's a total full. Totally full. I just fell in love with him. I know. Now I'm getting as bad as Wolfpack. I'm just collecting tigers left and right. I don't know. She collects wolves. Okay, hang on. I'm going to set you down again. Okay, let me set you down. We're going to measure. Let me see. I got to have my page. Okay, it says it's 55 by 45. Whoops, turn it over. It is, the actual thing itself is 45 this way, and the short way it is approximately 34 and a quarter. So the whole thing must be is 55 by 45. Nope, sorry, 43. Make sure I was where I was supposed to be. 43. So they were off a little bit, but and the inside is not that big, so that makes the actual picture, I know, almost 18 inches by 13 and a half. So yeah, but I just thought that was just gorgeous. There's the picture again, so you can see it. He is just beautiful. Yep. Well, that's all I have for today. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good evening. God bless, and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.